Welcome. My name's Colin Lawson and I'm the founder here at Equilibrium. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about the various inheritance tax allowances that allows gifts to be made and be immediately outside of your estate. So firstly, we start off with the well-known allowance, but often underutilised, which allows you to make unlimited gifts on an annual basis, as long as they're made out of income, that they're made on a regular basis, and that they don't reduce your normal living standards. Once you've utilised that allowance, you then have an annualised allowance that allows you to gift £3,000 per individual, and that allowance can be backdated for one tax year. You also have allowances that you can, or that you're given for weddings. So if your child's getting married, you can gift them £5,000. Doesn't get you very far in terms of weddings these days. If your grandchild's getting married, you can gift them £2,500. And then finally, you can gift anybody £250. Or in other words, you can gift £250 to as many people as you'd like to. The interesting thing to me about these allowances is that they were set way back in 1981 and they've never ever been increased. Now obviously the costs of things have increased dramatically since 1981. I've already touched on weddings. But to put things into perspective, the average house price according to the nationwide figures back then was just less than 25,000. Today it's just more than 200,000. So that £3,000 exemption where you could go back 1 year and you've got a husband and a wife together or mum and dad together, that's 3,000 each, so 6,000. You can go back 1 year, so that's 12,000. And we're currently in February, we'll shortly be in a new tax year when another 6,000 would be available. So over the next couple of months, that's 18,000. And back when those allowances were introduced, that pretty much would have bought you a new house. But today, it's not even going to touch the sides. So, I hope you found that interesting. And inheritance tax is a topic that we're passionate about and are committed to reducing on behalf of all of our clients. And so, if you would like us to review your inheritance tax situation, then you know where we are.